Hello guys, welcome to my channel Technical Things. And in this video we are just going to download a YouTube video, and so let's carry on. So firstly I will open my browser in my PC. You can use Android or PC. This technique will work in both Android and PC. You can choose any to do this thing. So I am just firstly open YouTube because I have to download a video now. So the video that I will download is of my channel. So let's start it, or let's see. So it is loading. Yeah, just open this one, or the studio now. Okay, so I am just going to download this video in my, just you can say, download folder. Yeah, so to download any video of YouTube, you have to just first open it in Google, in a browser, so that you can edit the URL. So to download this video, just you have to just, after the www dot, you have to add ss. Just see what I am doing here. So I added ss and then hit an enter key. Okay, then it's loading. So it's open. You open the website save from .net. I didn't know. So as you can see, that video that I have shown you is come here. To download it, just click on download. You can also change this. You can, what's that? It's quality, yeah. MP3 or MP4, MP3, yeah. So let's download it. So you can also paste the URL simply here. Let me say this open. Yeah, from here you have to click on three dots, and then you have to click on download. So a pop-up will be shown here. Yeah, as you can see, it is downloaded. Let's check it. Does it is downloaded or not? I will open it. Yeah, so as you can see, it is downloaded in my PC. And this is a whole about the video. Let's start. Check its extension also while going to downloads menu. Yeah, you can say this is the video, and we go to property to see that's all things are clear, quite clear. And just check it once a time. So yeah, so it is mp4 file. So that's all about this video. If you like this video, like this video, and also subscribe my channel so that you get all notifications of my new videos. That's all about this video. Thanks for watching.